One of the biggest reasons that the belt wears out on this thing is because one of these things is seized. So I'm going to show you how easy that is to actually change one of these things. It's ridiculously fast. All right, so check this out. All you have to do is just flip your lawnmower over or tip it over so you can check something on the other side. There's 3 little pulleys under there that you want to just check really quickly and make sure that they're all spinning properly. You can either tip your lawnmower over back like this to check it, or you can flip it over on the side if you want to. Just make sure that when you flip it over on the side, the air filter side is on the upside. See those 3 little pulleys right there? Just take your finger and just rotate them. See if they spin. See that? That one spins. That one there, spinning good. This one here, look at that one. That sucker is stuck right there. That pulley is seized almost solid. This is a 4-wheel drive lawnmower, you guys. An all-wheel drive, they call it. There's a transmission in the front. There's a transmission in the back. So you can see this belt right here. That belt is a really long belt. It goes all the way to the back transmission, to the front transmission, and then goes around these 3 pulleys. Now, here's the important thing. This is why you want to check these pulleys to make sure they're free. If one of them gets stuck really bad, the belt is just spinning. The belt is just sliding across that pulley because the pulley's not spinning. It's just digging a groove in that pulley. But it's gonna, if it is seized like that and it's going too long, the belt is gonna wear out and wear out and wear out. I'm going to tell you guys something right now. You do not want to change the belt on one of these. Goes all the way to the front, all the way back. You wouldn't believe how many things you have to take apart on this lawnmower to change the belt. Okay, this one's good, this one's good, this one's the seized one. We want to replace that. First of all, you need another pulley, right? Well, I went and got one. Got that brand new pulley, spins nice. That's what we want on there. All you need, 7/16 socket. I think maybe an 11 millimeter might work too, but it's supposed to be a 7/16. You don't need to take the blade off even. You don't need to do anything. Watch this. With that belt, the belt's already loose on there because nobody's up there pulling the handle on it, right? Belt's loose. There's the old one right there. Yep, garbage. Grab the new one and literally, you got to reuse that bolt too. Put that on there. Now they all spin, they all work. You're not going to blow your belt off of there now. So now let's have a quick look at that pulley that I just pulled off of there. Look at this. Look at that. That's awesome, actually. This is a perfect example. See, it's stuck. That bearing is seized in there. Look at where the belt has been rubbing on here because the pulley's not spinning. It's burning across here and melting that pulley right there. So that's not only hard on your pulley, it's hard on the belt too. This one definitely needed to be replaced. This is something that you need to look at, I would say, I want to say yearly maintenance, just general maintenance. But you know what? On these things, I've probably replaced 100 of these in my life. You see how easy it is just to check them and just spin them with your finger and see if one's seized. If you want to see where I got this pulley from, right underneath this video in the description, I got a link there for you where I got this one from. They are not very expensive at all. Way less expensive to do that as just general maintenance on your lawnmower than having to actually burn a belt out and change this belt. That's a brutal job. This is super easy, you guys. Lawnmower repairs don't generally get any easier than that. That's awesome. Hey, you guys, I hope I saved you some money by doing this. Give me that thumbs up button. I would sure appreciate that. Share this with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. And Steve out.